Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to improve the battery health on this device. Simply go to your settings, tap on the option battery. Then here you can see the option battery protection. Simply turn on this option. Okay, this will avoid the overcharging and overheating. Tap on this one. Here you can see two modes, basic, maximum. If you select the option basic, when you are here you can see when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95% and then charging will start again. If you select the option maximum, charging will stop at a level you set. The lower the level, the more you can extend the battery lifespan. If you tap on the option maximum, here you can see that level from 80% to 95% we can set the level. Okay, this will maintain the long-term battery health. It is useful for users who want their battery to last longer over time. So simply in this way we can improve the battery health on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.